Hello everyone. So welcoming you back in a new session of data representation chapter. So as you know, we are doing the unsolved exercise from this chapter. So we did some of the questions we finished in the previous video. So today we are going to start from question number 15. So this question number 15 is something in which you have to convert the hexadecimal number to octal form. Okay. So for hexadecimal to octal, first you need to convert this hexadecimal number to binary and then we can convert it into octal. So let me write down the digits separately first. It is 3, then we have A, 8 and then A and C. So A you know very well is representing 10, B is 11 and C is 12. So I'm just writing in bracket A is for 10 and C is for 12. So what you have to do, you have to use that 4-bit conversion. So it is, you can write in shorter way 8421. This also 8421. So 8421, 8421. Please don't get confused with this 8421. It is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. So the addition of these digits, it should be this value only. So we have 3 here. So for 3 it will be 2 and 1, right? So here these two will fill with 1 and the rest you can fill it with 0. So this is a shorter way to convert it into a binary form. Then for 8 also directly 8 is coming. So this is 1 and rest is 0. Then A is there which is 10. So 8 and 2 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is 1 and this one is 1. Then C is 12 and 8, 4, 12 only. So these two 1 and then 0. So these are the, the converted, and now you have to convert it into octal form. Okay. So for octal, what you will do, you will go for the pairing of 3. So these 3 together, these 3 together, then these 3 together, these 3 together, and then these 3 together. So let us start. Now we have again, just convert it into, decimal form. So this is again the same rule only. So this time we have 4 to 1, right? 4 to 1. So we have 3 here. So we have 3 here, and then we have here, it is, you just check it out, you can just separate the values. Okay, it is looking like a little difficult to do it like this. We have 0 1 0 and then we have 1 0 1. Okay, 1 0 1 and then we have 1 0 0. So for this we have 3 here, and then you have 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2, right? So this is 4 actually, and then 0 1 0, it is 4 2 1, so this is 2, and then we have 1 0 1, so this is 4 2 1, so 4 and 1 is 5, and then 1 0 0 is 4. So when you will write them together, it is something 3 4 2 and 5 4, and this is something in octal. So again I am repeating how to do it. The hexadecimal, first we are converting into binary, and then binary we are converting into octal by pairing with 3. This binary is the pairing of 4 bits and octal is the pairing of 3 digits. Okay. So if you are a little confused in this question, we can take one more question from question number 15 only. And here you can see I have one more question. That's the second part which is given in your book. Okay, so I am writing all these values, separately. So we have 7, then we have F, and then we have D, and then we have 6. Okay, so again the same thing. A is for 10, B is for 11, C is for 12, D is for 13, E is for 14, and F is for 15. Please write it down. So for F I am writing in bracket 15, for D I am writing bracket 13. So let us do it. 8421 rule. 8421, 8421, 8421, and then 8421 for this 6. So you have to add, you have to make with these values, you have to make 7. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so this will be 0 and here it would be 1. Then for 15 it is 8 and 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 14 and 1 15. So all 4 is 1 only. For 13 it is 8, 4, 12 and 1 13. So 1 1, this 2 will be 0. You can see 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 6 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is 0, 1, 1, 0. Now you will start doing the group of 3. Okay. So you will start from the right side, right to left. You will move it here like this only, like I am moving. And then you just write it down like this. Okay. So it is 111. And then again we have one more pair, 111. And then again we have one more pair, 111. And then we have 0, 1, 0. And then we have 1, 1, 0. For this also it is the rule for 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, and then 4, 2, 1. Now go for it. All the 3 are 1 only. So 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7, 7, 7. And this is only at 2 place we have 1. So 2. And this is 4 plus 2, 6. So this is the answer, 7, 7, 7, 2, 6. And this is in octal form, 8. Right. So this is the second part of question number 15. Well, I think I hope you are clear with this. So if you are still not clear, I have taken one more question from this. So well, this is the third part. I took all the part actually for this, A, B, C, D. And again, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, and D is 13, right? Now A is 10, so please write it down in bracket 10, 11, 12, and 13, okay? Principle is the same only, 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1, and 8, 4, 2, 1. Then you have to add, you have to make the addition as 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10, okay? So this is 1, rest you fill 0. 11 is 8 and 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So this is 1, 0, 1, 1. Then you have 12 here. So 8 and 4, 12. So this is 1, 1, 0, 0. And then you have 13 here. So 8 and 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 1, 1, 0, 1. So let us start forming the group for 3. So these 3, these 3, these 3, these 3, and these 3. Like you can see, 1 is left here. So you will fill 2 zeros here. So let me write down together 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and then 1, 0, 1. Well, it is 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Then go for it. We have 1 here. Then we have 2 here. Then 4 plus 1 is 5 here. Then 4, 2, 6 plus 1 is 7 here. Then 1 here. And 4 plus 1 is 5 here. So in total, the answer is 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, 5. And the octal with base 8. So I hope you are clear with all these questions. How can we convert hexadecimal to octal? Again, I am repeating, hexa to octal, we are not converting directly. First, we are taking in between binary value, and then we are taking a group of 3 bits to convert it into octal, right? So we finished all the 3 parts of question number 16. Let us start with question number 16 now. So 16 is something we have to do from octal to binary. Okay, octal to binary. So how to convert one octal value to binary? That's the question. Okay, so let us start with octal to binary. For that, you have to write a simple table form. Remember, the table thing is something the same. It is 1, 2, 3, right? And you will just octal to binary. First you have the octal values as the 1, 2, 3, and when you will convert it into binary. So for just convert it into binary, 1 is 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, right? So now go for it. 1, so 0, 0, 1, then 2, 1, 0, sorry, let me just rub this. I think I was in a hurry. So that's what it, let me rub this. Okay, so I am starting with this 4 to 1 again. So 2 is actually 1 and rest everywhere it's 0. And for 3 it is 2 and 1. So 0, 1, 1. Fine. Now you can just, it is octal to binary. Just write them together. So it is 0, 0, 1. And then you will write 0, 1, 0. And then 0, 1, 1. So this is something in binary. So well, you can just consider one more thing. Like in the starting, you could see we are getting 2 zeros. So if you want to ignore those starting 2 zeros, you can ignore it. So in that case, the answer would be something 1, 0, 1, 0 0 1 1 and then 2. Anything is fine. I mean, there is no visibility of the initial zeros. So yes, fine. So well, this is simple only because with respect to this only we did a question in the previous one also, right? So let us start with 3 5 2 7. So just separate them all. 3 5 2 3 5 2 7, and the same thing 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, so this is 0 1 1. 5 is 4 plus 1 5 1 0 1. 2 is 1 0 0. 7 is 4 5 6 and 7, so triple 1. Write them together. So you can just ignore the initial 0 if you want. So it would be something triple 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1, and this is in binary form. Okay, so it's quite easy to convert one octal to binary. This is question number 16, and now we will take the third part of this question number 16, which is again the same thing where we have to convert octal to binary. So let us separate all the three digits present in this octal number. We have 7 0 5 4 2 1 4 2 1 and 4 2 1. Right, convert it into 4. 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, so triple 1. Then 0 is 0 only, and then 5 is 4 plus 1, so here it would be 1 0 and 1. Write them together, so it will give you what? It will give you triple 1 and then 3 zeros and then 1 0 1. Okay, and this is in binary form. So we finished all the three parts of this question number 16 also. Let us move to our next question. So next question is question number 17. In this they are asking us to convert one octal to binary again. This is again the octal to binary form. So let us start doing it. Just separate all the digits. Now I think you are more comfortable, so we can do it quickly. So write 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1 and 4 2 1 for the individual digit. Then the addition would be 7 only. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 triple 1. 6 is 4 plus 2 1 1 0. 4 is 1 0 0 and 0 1 0. Now you have to write them together. So it is 1 1 1 5 times 1 and then 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, and binary is base 2 or radix 2. So this is the first part of question number 17. Moving to the second part of question number 17, which is 7015. I hope you are clear. So just for the practice purpose, I am taking all the questions. It is 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1 and 4 2 1. Triple 1 triple 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 1. Write them together. Triple 1 triple 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 with base 2 or radix 2. So we are done with this question number 17 B part also. Let us start with the third part of this question number 17, which is 3 5 7 6. Okay, so just do it together. 3 5 7 6. 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1. Then 0 1 1 4 plus 1 5 1 0 1 triple 1. 4 plus 2 is 6 1 1 0. Write them together. Triple 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 base 2. Okay, so here we finished all the three. One more part is there, so let us just finish that fourth part also for question number 17. So we have 705, right? 705. So we have 7, we have 0 5 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2 1 triple 1 triple 0 1 0 1, and then write them together. Triple 1 triple 0 1 0 1 with base 2 radix 2. So we finished all the four parts of question number 17. I hope you are clear with all the parts, but still if you are feeling you have any doubt in any of the part, any question, please don't forget to write in the comment section. I'll help you out again. Okay, so if you like the videos, if you are clear with everything, please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share with your friends. Thank you. Bye.